morning, Sachem families. Well, this week is insect week, so today I'm gonna be making dirt cups with gummy worms. So what you need is a package of chocolate instant pudding, because we wanna make it look like dirt. You're gonna need 2 cups of cold milk. Make sure it's really, really cold, so take it out of the fridge just before you use it. And then you're gonna mix it together, and it should get really thick soon. Oops, I'm gonna use my whisk. That's what I got my whisk out. Okay, so we're gonna whisk that up and make sure it gets nice and thick. Okay, so now our pudding is nice and thick, and we're gonna spoon it into some cups. And measure out a little bit in each cup. And what I did was I took some Oreo cookies and I crushed them in a bag. Good way to get out some aggressions, Mom. Crushed them in a bag, and they're gonna be the dirt top of our dirt cups. So, and then the really special thing is, the sweet thing is going to be our gummy worms. All right, so here we go. We'll pour in our cups. And now we're gonna add the crushed Oreos. This is great for the kids to be able to do all this on their own. It's a great activity. They don't have to worry about cutting anything. It's all mixing and crushing. It's great to put it in a bag and they can crush it with their hands. And you might want to chill it just a little bit, make sure it's really set up and nice and cold before you eat it. But here we go. Finish up. More on this one here. Okay, and then we have our gummy worms to finish it off. Just pop them in, like they're crawling out of that dirt. And there we have our worms in dirt, edible craft. Okay, families, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon. We miss you all. Bye.